Do your house cleaning products affect your health? Most homeowners expect house cleaning products to do one thing: clean. Many consumers focus more on punchy taglines such as "kills 99% of bacteria" or "tough on stains and grease." But they neglect the fact that store-bought cleaning products contain a lot of harmful chemicals. Most likely, you check the food labels to make sure that they are organic, message-free, etc. before you buy them. But do you ever stop to check the labels of the cleaning products you buy? Admit it or not, you think your cleaning product is the best because it promises to kill more bacteria than its competitors. What you don't know is that many of these cleaners and detergents contain harmful ingredients, which are great for cleaning but poses a certain danger to your health. Read the label. What it says matters. How do you know if a cleaning product is harmful? You need to know what chemicals are dangerous to your health and avoid buying products that contain such ingredients. These include bleach, parabens, ammonia. They affect your health in several ways but mostly affect the lungs. With continued and excessive exposure, these toxins can affect other parts of your body, too. Several eco-friendly cleaning products contain VOCs or volatile organic compounds. Some products are labeled as natural, but it doesn't mean they are safe to use. Don't be fooled. There's nothing organic with these products. They can lead to chronic respiratory illnesses and headaches. Products containing VOCs include air fresheners, oven sprays, dish detergents, floor polish, and aerosol sprays, to name a few. Go green. Although purchasing eco-friendly or green products is a sensible choice, making sure that your cabinets are filled with safe and healthy cleaning solutions does not always mean that they are the best options. Cleaning agents aren't regulated and held in the same standards, such as food. Simply put, there are green products that aren't any better than regular cleaning agents. So how can you make sure that you are getting an effective and healthy cleaning agent? Simple. Make your own. You don't have to overspend. You can simply use basic items that you most likely already have in your home. A few ingredients you can use include salt, lemon juice, vinegar, water, baking soda, and borax. You will have countless options when it comes to making a green cleaning solution using simple and affordable ingredients. For example, you can create a natural scrubber using lemon juice and salt. Get rid of stubborn stains by sprinkling baking soda and vinegar on the affected area. It will trigger a chemical reaction that will lift the stain without any problem. But if you are not really into doing the cleaning by yourself, you always have the option to hire a company who offers house cleaning services while using only the best and safest green cleaning solutions. It doesn't matter whether you are a housekeeper, a business owner, or a homeowner, always remember that using store-bought cleaners can lead to health issues, especially if you are constantly exposed to it. Don't put yourself or your loved ones at risk. Go green now. Take your health seriously now before it's too late. Use natural ingredients instead of regular chemical cleaners. This way, you know precisely what your cleaners contain. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.